Hello and welcome to YouTube's most prolific source of persimmon-related content. I'm your host, Jory Caron, for the Persimmon Project. It's a working title. We'll get there eventually. Today, I'm going to smoothierize this. So, in goes like a piece of ice, maybe another piece of ice. Persimmon, a little bit of that, a little bit of the nature's goodness. I've never blended a persimmon before, so I don't know the exact measurements to use, but it's pretty good right there, right? It doesn't really even look like it's blending very well. There's definitely one giant chunk of ice still in there, but maybe the persimmon was like, dude, I got it from here. I don't need any more help from your ice. Cool. Here we go. It's actually much, much worse. Because now you can have way more of it enter your throat.
Jory's on a mission.